what I have here is the iTurn wall tool organizer. It comes with your tool rack here. This is like a shelf where you can put your battery chargers. This comes in 2 or 3 different pieces. You can put your battery chargers right there. You can use this as a shelf. This holds up to, I believe, 100 pounds. It comes with some drywall anchors. This comes with actually a couple of pieces. I got the 3-piece. What? The Radex did send this to me. This is a paid sponsored video. This is a place where you can hang your drills and various tools. Apparently I have a 3rd one. Thought I only had the 2-piece, so that's very cool. It comes with one little bonus item, which is a little mop holder. It looks like you can either use this as you could drill this on, or you can use this as like a little sticky pad. I will go ahead and attempt to get this thing mounted and see how this goes. So here is the home tool organizer I just installed. It has a shelf so you can set your batteries, your extra tools, and maybe if you've got something you want to set on the top, such as like one of these small circular saws, you could do that. Or you could set, multiple batteries depending on how many different screwdrivers or drill guns you have. A couple of drill guns set right here, as you can see. Then I also have a flashlight just sitting here on a shelf, and then I made this bottom one a shelf. If I get more drills, then I can hang those right there. This was a really easy installation. I had to use the drywall anchors in order to screw this down. This works really well, and this gives me, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8 different places to hang 8 different drills if I want. This is the 3-piece set. And then also the bonus was this this broom holder here, which I just put right there. Just holding up the broom, just pull that out, walk away. Walk up to the broom holder and then just push that in there, and that'll hold the broom. This is gonna help me organize my tools for sure and give me a little extra space. Well, so there it is. There's the home tool organizer. It's pretty cool. It was pretty easy to install. It just took me about 30 minutes to get everything installed. But look at that. Look at those tools. How cool is this? This is the home tool organizer.